Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In this video, we are going to learn lesson 3 of book 2, Madinah Arabic Reader. So, what is there in the book 2 of lesson 3? It is about plurals, how to convert singular to plural. So, first of all, we will see the plurals in English language so that it would be easy to understand in Arabic language. Okay, as you already know, how to convert singular to plural in English. Let us see once again. Singular means one, plural means more than one. It may be two, three, four, and many more. See an example of boy, it's a singular. Just by adding s, it becomes plural. So it does not happen all the time. Just by adding s, it will become the word will become the plural. See in the case of mango, mango, es. Here it is es. Sky, skies. Y is getting dropped and ies are added. You can learn these rules by your English teacher. Just I am explaining how the conversion of singular to plural in English language. Thief, thieves. Here you can see ves. Knife, knives. Ves. Here, child. It does not follow any rule. It is getting children. So the plural of child is children. Tooth, single is tooth. The plural is teeth. Foot, feet. Man, men. So these plurals do not have any particular pattern. Okay, man, men, woman, women. Okay, this is the singular and plural of English language. Now we will see Arabic plurals. Now we will see Arabic plurals. See, singular means one, as how it is there in English language. But we have a unique concept in Arabic language. So the particular word is there for two people, two objects, two things. That is called dual. Okay, and plural means more than two. In further lessons, we will see the concept of dual, but today we will discuss about plural. Um, Plural means more than two. It may be three, four, five, and so on. Generally, there are two types of Arabic plural. See, unbroken and broken. Why it is said unbroken? So there is a reason behind it. We will learn. So unbroken and broken plural. Unbroken means unbroken plural for masculine and unbroken plural for feminine. So we have separate plurals. That is for masculine is different, feminine is different. And broken plural again are of two types: broken plural for masculine and broken plural for feminine. So there are generally two types of plural: unbroken and broken. And unbroken is of masculine and for feminine. Broken is of again masculine and again it is of feminine. You can see this picture. So first we will learn broken plural for masculine. Then later on we will learn gradually all other things. Now we will see the rule of conversion of unbroken plural for masculine noun. Unbroken plural for masculine noun. You can see. So this is the conversion. So how we are going to learn the steps of converting male singular to the plural. Take one singular masculine noun like Muslimun, means one Muslim, male Muslim. See here I have written the steps to make plural. So what do you have to do? Remove one zamma, this zamma from the last letter of this word. So it becomes Muslimu. Here it is Muslimun. As I have removed one zamma, it becomes Muslimu. Then what do you have to do? The second step is add waw sakin. Waw with sukun is called waw sakin. You have to add waw sakin and noon with fatha. Noon containing fatha, noon with fatha, or or it is said as a noon maftur. Okay. Generally, you should remember this noon with fatha. Muslimu. So first, what we have done, we have removed one zamma. Then you have to add waw sakin and noon with fatha. So Muslimu plus waw sakin plus noon fatha. It becomes Muslimuna. Okay. Muslimuna. Muslimun becomes Muslimuna. Plural Muslims. More than two. Okay. Three, four, many, many. Uh, One more word, if you see Muhandisun, an engineer, male engineer. See, on the same pattern you have to convert. Muhandisu na. Mudarrisun, male teacher. Mudarrisu na, plural teachers. More than two teachers. Mudarrisuna. Saikun, driver. Savikuna, like this. You have to convert singular to plural by remembering these steps. Okay. We will see some more examples here. Now, here we will see some more examples of unbroken plural for masculine noun and why it is said to be unbroken plural. Here I have written the definition. Unbroken plural for masculine noun is said to be unbroken because it looks like same if you compare to the singular. Only waw sakin and noon with fatha are added to its singular. See, Muslimun, it's a singular word. Only waw and noon with fatha are added. So it almost looks like same. That is why it is said to be unbroken. So when you see the definition of and examples of broken plural, you will come to know the exact meaning of unbroken plural. Because the unbroken plural does not look like same. So see here again, Muslimun, only waw and noon fatha are added to its singular. Here it is a conversion step. Now, after adding, it becomes like this, plural noun. Muslimuna, okay, Muslims. Remember, a plural of Arabic language starts with three numbers. Okay, Muhandisun, same pattern. Muhandisuna, engineers. Mudarrisun, Mudarrisuna. So I hope you have understood the concept of unbroken plural for masculine noun. Okay. So here we will see unbroken plural of feminine noun. Its conversion, singular to plural. Okay. Take one singular feminine noun like Muslimatun. Now we will see the steps to make it plural. So what do you have to do? Number one step is it's Muslimatun, means one female Muslim. You have to remove a round ta from the word. Okay, you have to remove this complete round ta. So it looks like this, Muslima. Then you have to add alif and big ta with two zammas. This is big ta. Or you can say long ta with tanween. So it looks like Muslima plus alif plus ta with two zammas, or you can say tanween. Muslimatun. It is like Muslimatun. Muslimatun to Muslimatun. Tabibatun, a female doctor. One female doctor. So how can you make plural? By following these steps. Tabibatun. Okay. Mudarrisatun. A female teacher. Uh, the plural is mudarrisatun. Okay. We will see the examples here. I hope it is clear to you. Now you can see the definition of the unbroken plural of masculine feminine noun. Why it is said unbroken, as we discussed in the plural of masculine, why it was said to be unbroken. Similarly, almost the definition is same for feminine noun also. So you can say unbroken plural of feminine noun is said to be unbroken because it looks like same as singular, it's singular. But only alif and long ta with tanween are added. See Muslimatun. Okay. Here it is a conversion step. We are removing this round ta. As it is looks like same. Only alif and ta are added. Muslimatun. Female Muslims. Mudarrisatun. Mudarrisatun. Okay. Female teachers. Tabibatun. Tabibatun. Okay. Female doctors. Compared to masculine noun, this unbroken plural of feminine noun are many, many, many. Very less are there. Means rarely, not rarely. What I can say about masculine noun of unbroken plural of masculine noun are less compared to feminine noun. But broken plural of masculine noun are many. Okay, this is what I wanted to say. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Here we will see broken plural of masculine noun. See, its conversion also. So look at the definition. Broken plural of masculine noun is said to be broken because it does not look like same as its singular. And waw sakin and noon with fatha are not added to its singular. For example, we learned unbroken plural of masculine. For example, Muslimun. Okay, so how were we converting that time? Muslimuna. So this is called unbroken because almost the word looks like same till here. Only waw, sakin and noon fatha are added to make it plural. Okay, but in this broken plural, it is not going to happen. And how it happens here in this unbroken. So you can see the definition also. Waw sakin and noon with fatha are not added to its singular. For example, rajulun, one man. Okay, a man. The plural is rijalun. Waw sakin and noon fatha are not added. How it happens in unbroken? That you have to remember. And this broken plural does not have any particular rule. As here I have written in note, this plural does not have any particular rule. It has to be memorized. You need to memorize these kinds of verbs. Sorry, nouns. Waladun, boy, and the plural is auladun. That is why it is said to be broken because waw sakin and noon fatha are not added to its singular. Okay, baitun, house. It's a masculine word, baitun. The plural is buyutun. Kitabun, kutubun, books. Okay, qalamun, aqlamun. Tajirun, merchants, tujjarun. The plural is tujjarun. So, compared to uh, feminine unbroken plural noun, for masculine, there are many, many broken plurals. Okay, very less broken plural are there for feminine noun. But unbroken feminine noun are there for feminine. Okay, but for masculine, broken plural noun are there. There are many broken plurals. So you can see here, rajulun, rijalun, waladun, awladun, baitun, buyutun, kitabun, kutubun. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Here we will see broken plural for feminine noun. Okay, and its conversion and definition too. See here, first definition, broken plural of feminine noun is said to be broken because alif and long ta with tanween are not added, as how it happens in unbroken plural for masculine noun, for feminine noun. See here, for example, muslimatun. So the conversion for unbroken feminine noun is muslima, muslimatun. Okay, but here in this broken, it does not happen same. Mm, alif and this long ta with tanween are not added. How here alif and ta are added in unbroken? In broken, it is not added, and it does not look like same as its singular. See, for example, imraatun means woman. The plural is nisaun, women. Okay, here the word got completely changed. No alif ta, nothing. So it does not have any particular pattern. You have to memorize these kinds of words. And you should note this point also. Broken plural for a feminine noun is very rare. Only I have given one example. Whereas broken plural of masculine are many. Okay. So I hope you have understood this broken plural for feminine noun. These are very less. Okay. So for feminine plurals, unbroken plurals are there, like tabibun, sorry, tabibatun, tabibatun, muslimatun, muslimatun, muhandisatun, muhandisatun. So unbroken plurals are there for feminine noun. Broken plural are very less. See here, you can see. I hope you have understood.